Hi traders, this is Subhan from 200forexpips.com. So guys, I'm going to take a live trade on gold in front of you. So currently I am on a 1 minute chart, and guys, you can see the blue dots are appearing from here. So I'm going to zoom out my chart, and you can see the blue dots are coming and the market is just pushing upward. And the second signal that I have, the market is above the green line as well. So that is the reason I have taken a buy position on gold, and I will wait for the market to come near to my entry. Okay, so if we talk about the previous pattern that it has started, that you can see, the first of all we had a buy signal from the arrow indicator, and this arrow indicator does not repaint, and after that the market starts to go into the upward direction, and once it reaches to that level, little bit rejection, and then again the market has went into the upward direction. Okay, so guys, here we are waiting for the price to come near to our entry. Overall, this is a very good signal that if you look at this area, then you can see the blue zone has just started, and like a few minutes ago, this is the 1 minute chart, you can see the blue zone is very clear, and this was the sell zone. The sell zone is ended, and now the blue zone has started. And the second thing I have checked is this, that the market was above the green line. That's why I have taken interest in taking a buy position. However, you can also wait for the arrow to give you a signal as well, but the arrow was already appeared here, so we are a bit late on that one. However, the things are completely bullish, and we have triggered a right trade as per the trend direction. Now you can see that this candle looks like pumping up, and now our loss is only 34, 35 minus, and let's see with the passage of time that how it behaves. Okay, so this is the live trade in front of you, so that you guys can see the performance of the indicator by yourself. That yesterday when I made the video, I have shown you that the trend was changing, and you must have seen that on the trend change like this, the blue trend was incoming, and I started a buy trade, and it went into the profitable way. And similarly again today did the same job, like the new trend was starting and the previous trend was ending. So you can see here the sell trend was in appearance, and you can see first of all the more heavy lines on the chart you can see here. These are the trend identification that the trend is very strong, and later on the sell trend was getting very small, and then finally it only created a yellow line. Yellow line means this trend has ended, and then the new trend was started, which is the buy trend, and you can see it on the screen that the buy trend is still ongoing on gold 1 minute. So guys, this is a very good indicator trading system by which you can do a very good type of scalping without any issues. It gives you a lot of profitable trades. All you need is to just use them wisely. And now look at here, look, the market is pumping up, and I'm just talking to you in this video, and that's not an issue. You can see very easy, I'm in trading, that it will take your headache of trading, because it will identify you what could be the next trend, and that's very simple. It's not like other indicators that are giving you very much false signals. So you can expect less false signals in this indicator. Not you cannot compare it with the other, because it's very much good than the other indicators. So now you will see that in front of your eyes, you will see the buy trend will get start, and the market will go up, because still we are getting a blue zone here, and that's not a issue. Still we are not into the any kind of a sell direction. Okay, so if you want to use this indicator, you can use it on like 1 minute to 1 hour, 4 hour daily on gold, anything like this. But if you want to get good results, then you must have at least consulted the 15-minute chart. So basically I do not consult the 15-minute chart right now, because the video can be much longer than expected. So that's why I am using the 1 minute chart to take a live trade in front of you. Okay guys, we have a sell signal from the arrow indicator as well, but do not forget this thing, that we are into the buy trend as well. So maybe this could not be a very strong signal. So you must also keep these things in your mind, that how that which trend is going, because trend is your friend. Right now the trend is the bullish trend and the sell signal appears, so this could be for the shorter period of time, not for a very longer period of time. So don't worry about these things, because later on the market can come back again, and they can come back again to your original levels. So let's see that how the market behaves here. Right now you can see that the market is pumping little bit down, so don't worry about it, but overall we are still into the upward trend. There is no worries, just we have a couple of bearish candles, so the trend is not changed. Okay, so make sure that you must considering these things before taking any trade, because they are very uh, they are very important, that you must understand the logic of the indicators. Like for example, maybe you have stopped out on a stop loss and you must be thinking that, oh, my trade has gone into the wrong direction. So this is not the case here. You must understand that we are still into the buy trend. Look here, now you can see the again the market is pumping up nicely. So that's what I was talking about, that we are still into the upward trend, because the next trend has not started yet. Okay, so now you can see again we are back from our losses, and much of the loss is recovered, and we will wait for the market, because it's still a upward trend and we are into the upward trend, and we will definitely wait for the market to come near to our entry. Now the main purpose of making these live trade videos is that, so that you people can understand that what is the logic of the indicators, that how I am going to take a live trade with you, so that I can explain more facts about the trading system. Now you must have seen that the arrow indicator has given us a sell signal. The market went down for a couple of candles, and from the very third candle the market again bounced up. So that's the thing. That's the thing that is not. I mean, this is not. This is not. You cannot ignore these things, because if you were about the trading with the trend, if you were following the trend, then you must not worry about anything, because as per the trend you must know that I am still going into the bullish direction, so my trade should be bullish. Yes, you can do these things, like for example, let's say if you have taken a buy trade from here, this could be a good option, because if you look at my buy trade, it is triggered from the top. So if you have a blue trend here, so buying at the lower level is a very good idea. So the if you buy the market at the lower prices, then it will be more good, and it will give you more profitability as well. So this is the idea behind the blue zone and the orange zone, that it gives you sell and buy signals like this. Okay, now you can see again the market is pumping up, so we will wait. And right now the market is a bit slow, that's why it's taking a lot of time right now. So we will wait for the market to go into our direction. Okay guys, moreover, those subscribers who want to get this trading indicators, then they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. They can also contact me on Telegram. They can also contact me on WhatsApp, email. So you have several choices. You can find the description. You can find the links in the description of this video below. So guys, just facing the slow market, otherwise we are clearly into the bullish trend. And if you look at here, if you just look at these yellow lines, they are slightly curving into the, as it looks like that they are slightly ready to go into the upward direction. So it's a clear buy signal. Okay, so just the market is slow, that's why we are looking at these things, that the market is unable to break our entry line till now. So one good size candle can simply break our entry. So it will be more good that if you buy this a pair at the lower price, like here, something here, and something here. So once you have the idea about the trend, that which trend is going on, then you can take your decisions according to it. Okay, so we will wait again. So guys, and we cannot say that this is the trading system just for scalping. This is not even limited to gold. You can try it on different currencies, whatever you want to use. It's a very good system, and all you need is to just take care of this thing that the trend has actually changed, and then follow the alerts that are coming on your screen. So they will help you a lot, and they will let you understand that which trend is going on, and they will simply guide you properly. Okay, so right now again you can see that after every bearish candle the market is again pumping up. So this is called the power of trend. So when you are into the trend trade, and if your lot size is controlled, then no one is going to hurt you in forex market, because your lot size will be very good control. It's not going to blow your account, and you will be not taking much risk, and you will be going very smoothly. Now you can see only $9 $10 $25 loss. So this is not a big loss because we have also traded it with the one standard lot size as well. So as it breaks that level, we will be into the profit as well. So if the next candle goes up, and surely we will be into the profit, but just we want to make sure that the next candle should be a good size candle. Okay, so already the video has gone so much long. Right now it's 11 minutes and 25 seconds at the moment. So I do not personally want to make very long videos so that they can bore you, but it's very important to explain the mechanism of these indicators to my subscribers, and that's the reason that I'm taking the live trades with this trading indicators. Like I have done a live trade yesterday, and you can watch the video that is already live on YouTube. Okay, so we are 30 minus, and you can see that we are facing the slow momentum. We do not have a very good momentum right now. So facing the slow momentums at the moment. So once it comes into profit, then I will prefer to close it on a reasonable small profit, because right now the momentum is not going to suit me. It's very you can say that that's low volatility going on right now, and that's very good for the expert advisor that we have for gold. Like it handles the low volatility and normal volatility very excellent. But we should not run the expert advisor during the high volatile hours. So this is the caution using using the expert advisor. But when you are trading with the indicators, then that's not an issue. I mean, you can simply go with the trends, follow the trends, and place your trades. That will become very easy for you. Okay guys, we are something like 16, 12 and something minus like this. So right now the market is a bit slow, so once it gives us some pressure, then we can close our trade at some profit. So guys, the higher the time frame you will consult, the more good chance you will have to make money from forex trading. Like for example, if you have a chance on the 1 hour, then it will definitely giving you more good profit. On 15 hour, more good profit. On the 5 minute, more profit than the 1 minute. So you can take a long ride on the 5 minute as well. So for example, let me show you here on the 5 minute what's going on. On the 5 minute, you can see guys that after the downward trend, now it's just a yellow line, and we have a buy signal as well, and the market is already pumping up. Okay, so that's why I say this trading system is very powerful. So on the longer time frames, you are looking like on the 5 minute, the previous trend has closed, and the next trend is going to, maybe after some time the blue dots will appear here. So this will be a sign of a buy trend. Okay, so similarly, if we go to the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour, if you look at here, then if you look at the top, then you can see that the sell trend is running. So on the 1 hour, it's indicating us a sell trend. However, we are going back. So now you have to decide that if you are going to do scalping, you can consult a 1 minute to 15 minute. If you want to plan a long trade, then consult 1 hour, 4 hour and daily as well. So this will be helpful in that scenario. So it's completely your choice that which time frame you are going to use the indicators on. Now you can see the strong, the blue trend is coming, and our loss is just negative $2. So not a big loss, everything is fine. And even on the 5 minute, if you look at here, the trend is changing, the market is pumping above the moving line. Look, we are already in profit. Okay, so everything is telling you that this is a very very good trading system. Okay, so again little bit reversed, so no worries, the next candle should pump up again. So right now we are 4 minus, and we want the market to give us a little bit reasonable profit so that we can exit from our trade. So I have taken a live trade, and when someone takes a live trade, then we do not have the idea that when our trade is going to exit, because we are mostly doing a live trade. So no one is sure because this is live market. Okay, so again we are 13.15 minus, so we will definitely wait here. So due to the slow momentum, we are facing this issue that our trade is a little bit stuck. But overall, if I am not recording this video, that is pretty fine with me, because if I look at here, I am still trading with the trend, and the trend is the upward trend. So no worries about this thing that we should we are going to worry about that this trade. No, there is no need to worry about, because everything is perfect for a buy entry. Okay, so here we will wait, and we will wait for our profits as well. So let's see that when it is going to throw the profit to us. Again going back to take you to the 5 minute chart, and if you look at the 5 minute chart, then you can see that the sell trend has ended on a smaller time frame, and looks like that the new trend will start. It doesn't mean that the yellow line has appeared and you guys are going to take the buy positions. This will be a wrong this will be wrong opportunity. So this is not the case here, so you better need to wait here. Okay, if we talk about the 15-minute time frame, then it says that we are still into the sell trend, and you can see the trend is changing. So it means that if on the 5 minute we are getting the we do not have any confirmation of a buy trend, but on the 1 minute we definitely have the confirmation that we are into the buy trend. So no worries about this thing. So we can definitely wait here, because on 15 minute we can 5 minutes, sorry, we can expect that the next trend for some time, for the short time, can be a buy trend, but not sure at the moment. So on the 1 hour we are more sure, because the blue lines are still here, and that's perfect. And if you look at this the yellow lines direction, look, they are directed slightly upward. If we make a trend lines like this, look, the channel is making the upward channel. Okay, so clear chance of going the market into the upward direction. So all we need to do is to wait here, because we do not have any other option. Look, again the market pumped up, so that's what I was waiting for. So if you will use the indicators like this, then guys, the market will coming back to your entries again and again, and it will be testing your entry levels. Like it's again into the profit 16.27, but still we are not going to close it, we are going to wait more. Okay, so we will close the trade after a reasonable profit, because the rhythm of the market is already very slow, so we don't want to hold the trade for the very longer period of time. But however, it's good that we are getting a good signal that the trend is ended, the previous trend is ended, and if the next trend will get started on 5 minute, that will be a buy trend. Okay, so one more good candle, and then we will be exit from the trade, because already 19 minutes have been passed with this video. And guys, I don't want to make a very long video, so we are getting $25. So what do you think we should out? Okay, 30, 47, and you can see 56 and 45. So guys, I am going to exit above something near to 50. That will be fine, because I don't want to keep this video very long. So right now we are getting 25. Okay, so 16, something like this. So overall, the market is not into a big momentum today, it's making the smaller momentums. So 29, 40, and guys, something like 37. Okay, I think so 40 above we should exit because the length of our video has gone so much long. So guys, I have exit on $40. Okay, so overall you must have seen that how the market behaved in that condition. So look at here, the blue zones were here. The channel was not directed into the downward direction, but later on it directed. And look at the buy signal from the scalper as well, sorry, from the arrow indicator as well. So everything was perfect for taking a buy entry. So guys, this is all about the today's live trade. So if you like the today's live trade, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and those who are willing to get these indicator setups. And it also gives the mobile alerts as well. If you will getting the signals on mobile, there is also a method to set up them. So if you want to get these indicators, then you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video.